Sikhs for Justice, a Khalistani group banned in India, has donated $10,000 to the United Nations High Commission for Human Rights. According to reports, the banned outfit is lobbying the United Nations to launch an inquiry into the handling of India's farmer protests. A UN spokesperson confirmed to WION that such a donation was received on the 1st of March. The United Nations does not decline donations unless they are from groups or individuals listed on its sanctions list. While Sikhs for Justice is not on the UN list, multiple cases have been registered in India. In July 2019, the government of India banned the group over its separatist agenda. The man behind this donation is believed to be Gurpatwant Singh Pannoon. He is General Counsel to the Sikhs for Justice. Pannoon has been declared a terrorist by the Indian government under the Unlawful Activities Act. He has reportedly pledged a further $1.3 million to establish a United Nations inquiry. A commission of inquiry is usually reserved for grave international issues like the war in Syria. As of now, there is no indication that the UN is setting up such a probe on the farmers' protests. It is important to note here that donations do not mandate an inquiry. And this was reportedly conveyed to Sikhs for Justice when they made this donation. But the group responded saying the money could be used for the United Nations body's general functions. A commission of inquiry into the farmers' protests would be unwarranted. In fact, there is no precedent for it. The farm laws were passed by India's parliament, and the protests are an internal matter of the country.